Speier, working for the JM Huber Martinswerk, located nearby Cologne at the Bergheim. My role is a process engineer, and responsibility is process optimization, energy optimization, and yeah, when TrendMiner come into the game is the data-driven decisions. It's very easy. You can make some easy dashboards, really user-friendly. And also what we do now is our energy dashboard. We do all our energy information in one dashboard. It's really great. It's easier to make it than an Excel or another softwares. We also had PyVision. That's also a great program, but to do some analytics, some statistics, TrendMiner is really helpful and it's really fast. This is also one really big advantage of TrendMiner. It's very fast. I can make some calculations over years, just really in seconds, and where Pi take me really some minutes for loading and whatever. So this is really a good advantage. I can look at the special event and make the similarity search. Put some many layers into the diagram. That is awesome. It's really awesome, and you get a direct feeling how often this special course happened to the last weeks, months, whatever. So we're using TrendMiner since 1 year. We are at the beginning of the journey, of a long journey, so it's still an ongoing process to roll out. So a few power users get supporting and training from you guys, from TrendMiner, and this was a very good thing. With this roadmap, it's hard to roll out at a complete company, to convince people to use TrendMiner. Everyone want to do it in Excel and don't want to use a new software. It's completely new, it looks different. This was my point to make some, you can say, little videos to compare how easy it is to do calculations and also some dashboarding, whatever you want to like, with TrendMiner versus Excel. So I did a video taken normal, normal process, and say, okay, how long I take with Excel. It was around 30 minutes to take all the information, to make a diagram and all the things. And how fast to do it in TrendMiner was 5 minutes.